Wix.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Wix.com, which is a user-friendly website builder that allows individuals and businesses to create and customize websites without coding. It offers a drag and drop interface, a variety of templates, and extensive app integration, making it easy to design and launch professional websites. Users can choose from various subscription plans, each offering different features and storage capacities. Wix also provides hosting services, ensuring that websites are accessible to users worldwide. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this website works. So this is the main page of this platform. So we have here the creation section. As you can see, you have the website design, website templates, advanced web development, editor X, and mobile app, and if you want to hire a professional. And here we have the business section. As you can see, you have the e-commerce website, service businesses, restaurants, blog website, fitness, and here we have the growth that will help you in your growth, email marketing, social posts, Facebook ads, and client management. And here we have the resources section, all tools and features, web design inspiration, Wix Learn, and Wix blog. And here we have more if you want the enterprise one, enterprise home, marketing, commerce, and so on. And here we have the pricing and support. And if you want to change the language, here you can change it to those languages. If not, you just leave it as it is. And here you have the login option if you already have an account, and if not, you can get started right here and create your new account. So we hit get started. So you can always continue with your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can just fill this information. You're gonna give them your email, and you give them your email again, your password, and you retype your password again, and then you hit sign up. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So after filling the previous information, we have to answer these questions. First, who are you creating a website for? If you are creating the website for yourself or your business or a friend, you choose this one. And if you are creating it for a client or a freelancer or an agency, you click this one. So let's go with the first option and then hit continue. And here we have what kind of website are you creating. So this is some examples. If you have any other one in mind, you can just type it here. So I'm just going with online store and then hit next. So even the online store have more options. So let's see online clothing store. Then we will be able to hit next. And they are preparing our dashboard, as you can see here. So they are preparing our dashboard. So just need to wait, guys. So after loading up, this page pops up. Let's get your store up and running. So you give them the name of your store, the name that you choose. So I'm just going to give them this name, for example. Then you hit next. You give them your online experience if you are just starting out or you're already selling online. So I'm going with the first one and then hit next. And product types if you have physical products like t-shirts, shoes, and something that's physical. And you have the drop shipping products, the products that you don't have that are just shipped by a third party, or if you are offering services like courses, classes, and appointments, or digital products like ebooks, printable or digital albums, or you have the print on demand products, my designs, printed and shipped by a third party. So let's go with the physical products and hit next. and you have the sales channel, your online store or your mobile app, or in person or marketplaces and social media. So let's see the online store, and then we're ready to set up your store. Then you continue to the dashboard and you wait for it to load, and then you will be able to see your dashboard. So this is our dashboard, guys. We have finished the first assignment, as you can see here, and we have 6 more to go. So you need to connect a custom domain with your store. So you can just go to one of the domain sellers like Nameshape and buy a domain for your website, and you can type it here and hit let's go, or you can just buy it from the platform. So let's try it. You can just type the name of your store that you want, then you hit let's go, and it shows you that it's available, and you can make it yours by clicking here. So to make it yours, you need to upgrade your site first, so you'll be able to assign it to your domain. So you need to upgrade, and then you can buy the domain from the platform. So we're going to leave it just like this, and then after completing this one, you have to set your payment methods. So here you can set your payment methods. As you can see, it will take us to a place that we can set our payment methods in, as you can see in the settings. So here you can set your PayPal or your manual payments that will allow you to accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment like Stripe. So let's go back again to our dashboard. So here you can add your first, after finishing this one, you can add your first product and get up shipping and delivery. You can set up your shipping, and then you can design your website. So let's see our website builder. So this is how would you like to design your website. So if you want to customize a design template, you can just pick a template from here, and if you want to let Wix create your site for you, you can just hit get started and they will create your store for you. So let's go with the pick a template option, and let's see the templates that are available in the platform. So we have this one. You can just hit view if you want to view it, and then you click edit, and you can be able to edit the template to fit you and your store. So you can just choose a template from here, and you can click edit, and you can customize it to your desire. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.